to talk about a very old thing, which is called the shivalingam. It's a Hindu thing, right? Coming from India, and it reminds me of a lamp. Amazing. You remember the genie? It's everything in my videos. It's intertwining. So there's clues everywhere, from one video to another one, and so on, back and forth. If you watch my videos, you will understand what I'm talking about right here. This is the shivalingam. But if you look at it, also you will find the butter lamps in the east, in the Far East. They look almost the same design. And if you look at the genie from the lamp, there you go. I found it. That's the genie from the lamp. And the genie from the lamp, look, it's shivalingam. And we're also going to translate what it means. Okay. I'm going to try another picture just to go fast, to get some small clues before you start the whole show. What is this? You see, it looks like a cup. I would call it the Holy Grail. The whole picture of this thing, the shivalingam, is the representation of the unification of opposites. It's the male and the female. And here is also the male and the female. You get the earth and the sky, unite the energies in the middle. This is the concept of the Holy Grail. And if you want the truth here, you know the Masons, they got an arrow going down and an arrow going up, and the G in the middle. The G is the unification of those two, plus and minus. So this is the fast translation of it. Wow, wow, wow. You get the spot right there. Have you seen my video about the airplanes having these logos? Number 3 is Saturn. Of course it is. Saturn is Shiva. This is shivalingam. And here we go, the horned cow, bull. Good old. We know it. It's also in the Bible and everywhere. The bull, the bull, the bell. All these beautiful, beautiful things. And now we move fast to Wikipedia. It's always good to search this kind of stuff in Wikipedia. You get a lot of answers. So we get the lingam. What is lingam? What is the meaning of lingam? Lingam, meaning sign. Symbol of phallus, is an abstract or aniconic representation of Hindu deity Shiva. Worshipped in temples, smaller shrines, etc., etc. So, the lingam is often represented alongside the yoni, Sanskrit word, literary origin, which means womb. So, a symbol of goddess or of Shakti, female creative energy. The union of lingam and yoni represents the invisible two-in-oneness of male and female, the passive space and active time from which all life originates. And this is very important. There are two key words here: space and time. You see? Opposites. And who is the master of time and space? Isn't it Saturn? And here we go back to the same concept of square and circle. If you look at this thing from above, then the lingam will represent the circle and the womb will be the square, right? So the symbolism that comes from these places, it's insane, absolutely insane. Here we go again. You can see the Om symbol above the circle, the red circle. It's everything connected. Here you can see the snake also. Unbelievable. Here you're gonna get the whole damn thing. Lots of snakes, and you get the eye of Saturn in there. Right there. Holy cow, who's that? Oh, that's a big lingam. Let's say it or not. And yes, as much as we want to run away from it and say it is, there's nothing pervert about this one. It's the symbol of sexual intercourse. That's what it is. Wow, look at the snake. And this is extremely interesting. Look at the face above this shivalingam. Isn't that a real face of this god? Look at it. And look at the door. What is it representing? Wow. And there's many designs. And this is a shivalingam mandala. It's very interesting when you look at the design. It's shocking. Look, it's like the planet is in the middle and you got the rings. That's insane. It's Saturn. Woohoo! This is also extremely interesting. You get the same design on the cow, right? But you also amazingly you find the hexagram. The Jewish hexagram. You see, it's not Jewish, it's coming from India. Just like the swastika, which represents the same thing, I'm sorry. It's the same thing. The hexagram or the swastika represents the same thing, right? And 3 big pieces. You get the hexagram and the shivalingam, and then you get the bull thing. It's a cult. And here you get the bell too, because it's connected. And here is a picture of an old river that got dried up, and on the stones is full of these shivalingams all over the place. You can see them everywhere. Here and you can see it there and there. They're everywhere. There's many of them. Yes, indeed. Shiva is the genie from the bottle. Can you see? Can you see what I mean? It's the same. The lamp is the shivalingam. And as you clearly see here, the lamp of the genie is the shivalingam. It's the same design. The same design as a bottle lamp, or what do you call it? Unbelievable. The Wishmaster. You see the relationship between this genie from the bottle, Shiva, and Christmas. Oh, it's all the same. All the same. Wishmaster. Yogi and Boo Boo. And the lamp of the champ. Identical design. Unbelievable discovery, I think.